our next award is the Most Promising International Indie Actress,
Congratulations to
Karen Vanguardia. Gusto mo rin ba maging indie actress, partner Apple?
Wag na, nanay na lang
So
ako.
kindly ask Miss Karen.
Kung ganyan dapat ang waistline ng indie actress, ayoko na. Hindi kakayanin. There
Let's
you
have a
go.
photo op and let us hear a message from our awardee.
Good evening sa lahat. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat kay Lord dahil binigyan niya ako ng napaka-special na talento. And